Hi Akshata, how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Yeah. So Akshata, can you tell me the difference between abstract class and interface?
Okay, yes, sir. In an abstract class could be partially abstract. It can't be fully abstract. An interface is fully an abstract class. An abstract class means there is no main body, only a prototype is there. So interface, there is no main body, but in abstract class, there could be both the things. A prototype class also, a prototype method also, and um, a normal method also with a main body.
Okay, 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 fine. So what is an interface actually?
Okay, sir. An interface is like a class, but we there is no main bodies in it. Okay, so there is no main method in this. Means we only use it to implement its methods. We can't use it to execute the actual program because there is no main method in it. So we usually implement the methods from interface in the main class. So we
Okay.
extend interface, and we can have multiple we can
Do
extend
we do we extend the interface or do we implement the interface?
uh, implement the interface.
Implement the interface, right? Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead. Yeah. Then what next?
We cannot like when we extend a class, we cannot extend more than one class, but in case of interface we can extend more than one interface.
Uh,
So like in a uh, in inheritance, like we can a child cannot have more than one parent. A parent can have many childs, but interface we can do that thing. In interface one can have uh, a class can have two interfaces.
right. Okay. So how many interfaces? What you were telling about the interface at the last?
What's that?
You were telling about the interfaces, right? At the last,
Yes,
a
sir.
class
Like
can have, yeah.
we can a class can extend more than a class can implement more than one interface, but when a class extends another class, it can extend only one class. But in case of inheritance, in case of uh, interface, we can like we can implement more than one interface.
Okay, okay. So would you be able to write a program on interface, just an interface?
Program on interface.
Yeah, just define one interface, use that interface in one of your class.
Is that okay? So, sir, in interface, I will write the methods.
Right.
Can I take an example of a bank? Like there is a
Oh,
bank which has
instead of theoretical,
okay,
just give me one program on interface. So create one interface and use it
okay,
in the class.
okay, on Eclipse, sir.
In online Java compiler you can use.
In Java. Okay, sir.
Yeah, just
One
search on
second.
Google about online Java compiler or let me share that link with you. So in the real-time interviews, you would be getting the questions to be answered and you have to use online Java compiler only. So I've sent in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
Can you share your screen? Can you click on share screen button? You can see that green color button, share screen.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can you click on that?
Okay, sir. So we have this interface of RBI, and let's say we have these two methods, like withdraw and mini statement.
Okay, then
So and then one second.
now you will create one class,
Yes, sir.
right, which will implement this particular interface. And when I say implement, you have
Yes, sir.
to define these particular methods.
Yes, sir. So I have to. mm, mm, Sir, take a class either only. Finish only.
Right. See, let me share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, is the screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Right. See, what you have to do is you have to create one interface that you created.
Yes, sir.
Interface is having just one method of it. You have to create
Yes,
one
sir.
class which will implement the interface. And
Mm-hmm.
for this
Sure,
particular
sir.
method, which is having just name here, no body, it would define the
Yes, sir.
body into the class itself.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So that's how you will define the
Yes,
class
sir.
which is implementing your interface.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, now tell me what is
Mm.
inheritance?
So in inheritance, what happens that a child class inherits the properties of the parent class. That is, whatever is present in the parent class. If I use the keyword extend, so by using the keyword extend, that child class can use the properties of the parent class.
Right. So, which are the different types of inheritance that you are aware about?
Okay, sir. Uh, First is sir, I'm unable to recall actually the
No
types.
problem. No problem.
Mm,
Single
but
level
I
inheritance is
can,
there?
yes, single, yes, sir.
Yeah, single level,
Single,
multi-level, hybrid,
multi-level.
right? These are the different types of inheritance. Okay, what
Okay,
is class?
okay. Sir, what is class?
What is class in Java?
Okay. Class is a blueprint.
Correct.
Or okay, a blue
Class is a blueprint,
class is a
right?
okay, in which we write the properties of an object, right? Whatever
Okay.
object we want. So by using methods and variables, data types, we can create the object in a class. So we can make multiple number of object in of a type class. Like a class is like a type. Okay, for example, I want to make I'm making a class of vehicle class. So whatever objects will be there will be created is of type class. Whatever properties will be there in the object is will be of type vehicle. That a vehicle that has an engine, that has an accelerator, and if it could be four-wheeler, it could be two-wheeler. So whatever objects will be there of a class, they will be of that type.
Okay, fine. What is polymorphism?
Okay. Polymorphism means when a method behaves differently at different times. Okay. And there are two methods. First is method overriding and method overloading that is used for to achieve polymorphism. So in method overloading, it takes place in the same class. So when different methods with same name but different parameters is there, same name but different parameters, then it is method overloading. So here a method with the same name is performing different, is having different properties at the same time. So that's why we call it polymorphism. And in method overriding, inheritance should be there. It can't take place in the same class. So in that also, a method with the same name, both a child and a parent class can have a method with the same name, same parameters, or same access modifier and same return value, but with different individual.
The same thing that you are telling with respect to methods, two methods that you are telling with respect to overriding or overloading.
So first, I explained about overloading, that it takes place in the same class. Like in a same class, there could be multiple methods with same name but with different parameters.
That's
And
overloading.
yes, sir, it's overloading. And in
Okay.
method
What is
overriding,
overriding? Yeah.
yes, sir. In method overriding takes place in inheritance is required for method overriding, because a same name method is present in both child class and parent class, but with this different implementation. Everything is same, but only there's a difference of implementation.
So can you write a program on overloading?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So click on share screen button and open online Java compiler.
Yes, sir.
Take your time to write, no worries.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
Yeah. So what you have written? This.
I have tried to describe how many types of bullet is there. Like it can take place like there are two.
Sorry,
So
your voice is breaking actually. This
oh,
is method overloading or this is method overriding?
this is one method overloading.
Okay, okay. So can you explain this program?
Okay, sir. So in this, since all the methods are in the same class and have same names, but the parameters are different, and parameters could be of different number. Like two methods can have different number of parameters, or sequence could be different, or data types could be different. So here, let's say I'm taking this one. So here, the name method and data types are int a and int b. So and the another method with the same name have the parameters, but now the sequence has been changed. And in this one, let this the name method, but here I'm making the different types of parameters. Like one is the data types are different. One is string type and another is int type. In this, I am taking different number of parameters. Like here
Right,
I'm taking
right.
two, but here I'm taking three parameters. So
Okay,
this could be
okay.
categorized in this way.
Fine, fine. This looks good. Great, great. Wonderful. Okay, okay, Akshata. I'm done with the interview and
Yes,
wish you all the best for your career ahead and would
yes,
connect next time soon. Okay? Yeah,
yes, sir.
yeah. Thank you.